Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to a Smart Investor channel. So today I'll be covering Tesla and the potential amazing profits that can be made by this Christmas. Also, I'll be talking about the next key catalyst for Tesla that is happening in less than 2 weeks that will boost the stock price up. I'll also give you my thoughts on an email that Elon Musk sent just actually 2 days ago to internal employees that has a lot of people scared and triggered a panic sell 2 days ago. As I'll also finish with a technical analysis along with my prediction and buying strategy. For those new to the channel, well, I'm a corporate professional, I'm a stock investor, real estate investor, and I'm also passionate about games. Games like Call of Duty, Counter-Strike, for those who know. I now also do YouTube videos to share my knowledge and my personal thoughts on investment, but most importantly, to share my passion with you guys that have minds like. So that being said, please smash that like button if you like the content and also subscribe and hit that bell to not miss any of my videos. Now that being said, let's get right to it. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look at that email that Elon Musk sent internally to his employees that entitles Elon Musk warns Tesla staff that its stock could get crushed like a souffle under a sledgehammer if the company isn't careful about spending. And let's go take a closer look at what exactly he mentioned. So here's a copy paste of the internal email that was leaked. At a time like this, when our stock is reaching new heights, it may seem as though spending carefully is not as important. This is definitely not true. When looking at our actual profitability, it is very low and around 1% for the past year. Investors are giving us a lot of credit for future profitability, which is true, by the way, we're paying a high price for the stock. But if at any point they conclude that's not going to happen, our stock will immediately get crushed like a souffle under a sledgehammer. All right, so it goes on and on. All that to say, listen, guys, I'm a corporate professional. I've seen a lot of these internal messages sent by CEOs, other high-ranked people, different corporations. So it's not something that really bothers me. I know this triggered panic. As far as I'm concerned, it's the last month of the year, guys. This is a stretch, right? Every company wants to make sure that they hit the best results. Everybody knows that the last month of the year, for some companies, that represents a huge number of their results for the year, right? And that's really key for people. So we're going to scrutinize those numbers, and if the sales are not right, the net profits not right, the spending is too high, you name it, they'll get hit, right? Especially because they're highly priced, right? So he's being very careful trying to make people stretch. And let's face it, we're all tired, right? We worked really tremendously hard. It was COVID-19, it hit really hard. So I think he's trying to do his part to make sure that we're on track to hit those numbers at the end of the year, right? So that being said, listen, that's my comments for this one. If you have different opinions or you'd like to share, please leave your comments below. Now let's go and look at the technical analysis along with the numbers. All right, guys, so let's take a closer look at Tesla. So currently sitting at a $594 and closed yesterday at $593. So that's green days, that's great. Technical charts, let's see. They've been flirting in the last few days anywhere between 550s all the way to 580s, and they just recently bumped to the 590, so that's really great to see. As you know, my last video on Tesla, I had a prediction that by end of the year it will be at 650 level, which is great news. That may actually exceed my prediction for the following reasons. All right, two dates that you need to take in note, so probably a good idea to go grab your pen and notepad. Two dates. All right, so December 18th, very important. Tesla joins the S&P 500. December 21st, even more importantly so, the funds will invest large sums of amounts into Tesla because they join S&P, right? It makes sense. So expect a big volume to be purchased throughout 21st all the way to the end of the year, right? So that's going to be huge, guys. This is what I think is going to happen. This is what I'm going to do. This is my gameplay as far as I'm concerned. So once it hits the highest peak, I will sell partially Tesla, most likely, to take profits. And you know what? It's fine to take profits, guys. It's a smart move because you just never know with the volatility we're going through and when's the next downside of the economy or even Tesla for that matter, right? So it's okay to take profits. Why? Because this is what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to share a portion of that, whatever it is, 20%, 40% of my shares, and just to rebuy it on its way down, right? And I'm huge fan of Tesla and Elon Musk. I'm a long-term investor in this, but it's okay to take profits and just rebuy even more shares, right? With more money now. So it's the good thing to do. But that's what I'm gonna do, right? I'm curious to know what you're gonna do. Are you gonna buy, sell? Are you a new investor or are you already invested? Please leave your comments below. I would love to know. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I will keep you appraised of the next moves that I'll do or next news of Tesla. So if you did like the video today, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell to notify you next videos I do. And listen, best of luck today, best profits as well, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.